No more snoring, no more bad sleep because I've got you this. So this is basically a sleep seals nasal strip and mouth tape. Yes, if you and your partner is suffering from bad sleep or snoring, guys, this is the solution. So basically you need to stick it onto your nose like that and that's it. And what it will do, it will open your airways and if there's any blockages. Oh, I'm feeling very sleepy, guys. If you want to make your sleep better, snow-free, just tap the link here and order now and I'll sleep better. I'll see you in the next vlog. Good night. Bye.